Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best table saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt Flexvolt DCS7485B Portable Table Saw. Dewalt's Flexvolt technology is no longer new, but it's the type of tech that made this type of saw possible. The Flexvolt battery is capable of changing between different voltages, powering 60 volts and 20 volts max tools, depending on the type of tool you plug it on. This Dewalt DCS7485B is a 60 volts portable table saw. And although it does not come equipped with a battery and charger, they're sold separate. You get a fully capable tool that operates on the 60 volts battery, but can also be powered through cord by plugging it into a power outlet. The DCS7485B gives you flexibility to use the saw at any given condition. You get a battery-powered tool, coupled with the peace of mind that you can always switch to corded whenever you want to. If you're out there on a remote job site, this is the kind of tool you bring with you. It's portable, and it's battery-powered. On the other hand, if you're in your workshop, you can always plug it directly to an outlet. Most Dewalt table saws make use of a rack and pinion fence, and this one's no different. It makes use of a rack and pinion telescoping fence, which is quite easy to use and adjust as needed. It's also very accurate right out of the box. The Dewalt DCS7485B comes equipped with an 8-1/4 inch blade. This is not the largest of blades, but it's the ideal one you need for DIY and job site rip cuts. Although it's small, it has a 24-inch rip capacity, which means you can rip down sheet goods like MDF and similar types of boards with great accuracy. One of the best things about it is that it's very quiet compared to other portable saws and even circular saws I've owned. Moving on at number 4, we have the Bosch 4100-10 Portable Jobsite Table Saw. The Bosch 4100 table saw features what is called a constant response circuitry. The constant response circuitry performs a simple but important task of increasing the speed of the saw blade in proportion to the load it is under. This ensures that the speed increases when cutting harder woods and adjusts appropriately when cutting soft wood, ensuring that the saw is not overloaded in any way. All the accessories that come with the table saw can be removed easily and stored under the tabletop. Each accessory has a good storage space under the tabletop specifically designed for it. So, you don't have to keep the accessories somewhere else and risk misplacing or losing them entirely. Although Bosch could certainly do better with the instruction manual that comes with it, setup is quite straightforward and easy. At number 3, we have the Skilsaw SPT70WT01 Portable Jobsite Table Saw. If you are not familiar or have not experienced the use of power tools that use worm gear drives, then the Skilsaw SPT70WT01 will certainly give you a good taste of how they work. Less speed, more torque. That's what it is. Worm gear drives makes it possible for you to achieve more power, more torque at a reduced speed. In terms of size, they tend to be small, but they pack a greater punch. Along with the saw comes with the basic table saw accessories such as a miter gauge, an insert plate or splitter, a transparent blade guard, a push stick and of course, a table saw blade. The blade is a 24-tooth 10-inch blade which is just enough for making basic cuts. If you desire more precise neat cuts, a blade upgrade will definitely do the trick. Skilsaw made using the saw very convenient by providing an onboard tool storage underneath the saw table, so that you can have your table saw accessories safe and available in the saw whenever you need them. At number 2, we have the Sawstop CNS175TGP36 Contractor Table Saw. Sawstop prides their table saws as the safest in the market. This they have demonstrated several times using hot dogs in place of real fingers. Unlike other table saws which will continue running if your body comes in contact with the blade, Sawstop saws will stop running within milliseconds. An inbuilt saw brake will cause the blade to stop instantly and recede under the table, preventing any injury that might have occurred assuming it were another type of saw. This is a really useful feature considering the number of table saw injury that occur every year as a result of inadequate safety features, equipment, instructions and improper handling of the machine. Talking about the Sawstop CNS175 TGP36, it's not a portable job site table saw like the ones above. It's a contractor saw, which is quite different as you can see from the image above. It is quite expensive, but the overall build of the saw is worth the money in all aspects. The accessories that come with it are top-notch. When you get your hands on the miter gauge, you'll easily know that it was made with great attention to detail. Assembling the saw is also very easy, provided there's someone there with you to help you with some of the heavy lifting. Whoever wrote the assembly instructions for the saw is very thoughtful. Everything is clearly outlined down to a T. When all is said and done, the Sawstop CNS175 TGP36 is heads and shoulders above any benchtop or jobsite table saw you'll ever come across. If you're thinking of upgrading from a jobsite table saw, this Sawstop CNS175 TGP36 might just be the right fit for you. And finally at number 1, we have the Powermatic 1,791,230 kelvins contractor saw. The Powermatic 1791123OK is one of the best contractor saws you can ever get your hands on today, no questions asked. It comes with cool features that makes working with it not only easy but satisfying in terms of the accuracy of the work. It's equipped with one of the best table saw fences, the AccuFence system, which is usually found in cabinet models. The AccuFence system provides a 50-inch capacity, which gives you enough capacity to rip wide sheet goods easily. It comes equipped with a left tilt arbor, which eliminates the need to use a sacrificial fence when working with the saw, and it also prevents your workpiece from binding with the blade. The Powermatic 1791123OK offers a very versatile tabletop, which is made up of 2 cast iron extension wings and a melamine surface wood extension table, providing a large work area for you. A quick-release blade guard and riving knife does not only provide you with safety, but also affords you the ease to remove them easily without using a wrench. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.